All right, everybody, y'all ready to see a really cool Toyota Prius? There it is. Yeah, check it out. What a nice looking car here in this color of blue, man. What a nice shade of blue. I like it. It's not too light, not too dark. It's just the right color. And I'm a big fan of the 17 model Prius. I really am. I like how the headlights just kind of whoosh, that kind of thing going on. It gives it a menacing, kind of a aggressive look, if a Prius could ever be aggressive, right? This is the one that looks aggressive. Gives it character. Kind of like an anime character, if you can kind of hear what I'm... Listen to that little booger. It was just running and it just kind of shut off. Went into electric power mode. But a nice color. Which is very nice. I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I do. Anyways, just a minute ago, I got to the interior of the car. I was doing my review. I looked at my phone and it said we were on time-lapse mode. Goodness gracious, I got to do this all over again. So hopefully the second time around will be a little better for you. All right, what car in 2017 could you get 15-inch wheels on and alloys at that? The Toyota Prius. And look, they got the little JDM badge right there, the little Japan. The brake calipers look good, the rotors look good, and just a nice clean wheel. What a nice good looking tire there, 15-inch. You don't have to worry about tires being too expensive on this little car. You got a sunroof, a nice big windshield. Also, it's got a heads-up display, believe it or not. Taillights really match up quite nicely with the headlights. Whoosh, samurai sword, boom, 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 going on there. Look at all the pretty metallics in the paint, man. Doesn't that look nice? It really does. Our SMC logo. If you ever see one of the cars we're going down the road with that badge on the back, SMC, that's us, Southern Motor Company. Backup camera. This is actually glass, so you can see through it. It kind of reminds me of the Honda CRX back in the day. I love that it's still a hatchback. Plenty of room in the trunk for sure. Got all your tools and everything like that under there. Easy to close. It does have a backup camera. And it has a windshield wiper in the rear. A shark's fin up top. And I like how Toyota kind of mixed in some black on the outside in just the right spots. You got a little black here. You got some up here. And this one actually would look really nice with some dark tinted windows. You could probably go with 35, 37% on your window tint and it would look even darker like limo tint because you have the dark interior. So, if you ever get pulled over and a policeman goes, hey, your window tint is looking like it's limo tint, it's too dark. Well, if you got it right and they make sure they put a little sticker on there saying the percentage, 37% would look like limo tint on this because it's just a dark interior, which is another thing that I like about this Prius, this blue and the black. Blue jeans with the black shoes, with the black Air Force Ones. Very clean, by the way. It's leather. And Toyota doesn't mess around. They're going to give you some cup holders, power outlet. You can throw some taps, atlases, tablets, iPads in there. Headliner looks good. Sunroof. Door panels look good. The car's never been smoked in. It has no dirty, smoky cigarette smell on the inside. It's very clean. Power windows, door locks, power mirrors. Also, you're getting blind spot monitoring right there on the outside mirrors. Power seat, lumbar. Look at this. Leather is in great shape all the way around. Very comfortable car to sit in. Definitely a car I could say, hey, I could hop in it right now and drive to Atlanta 5 hours away. Or drive to Florida. It'd be a great commuter car around town, but truly, it's comfortable sitting inside of here. I can get on the road and travel from Charleston to Orlando or Atlanta and not have to worry about having to pull over at some point and find a charging station. Because technically, charging stations aren't everywhere just yet. All right, everybody, I got to get back to the store. Phone call came in and customers up there waiting on me. So we'll wrap this up a little bit quickly here. But this is a very nice Prius, very clean, good looking, and I think you can agree. 129,000 miles on it. Price tag is just around $14,900. It's got navigation, Bluetooth, all that kind of stuff, cold AC, and a really good looking interior and exterior. These are the things I like about this Prius. You know, we sell a lot of Toyota Priuses at our store. This is number 3 that we have on lot right now. We got a Prius V in a light shade of blue. I got a white first gen Prius. And then we got this here, I think this is the 2nd or maybe 3rd gen Prius. But we may do a video highlighting all of them at a later time. But you got the EV mode. I mean, it's just a nice car at an affordable price. And what I was getting into before the phone rang was, yeah, a lot of people are buying electrics right now, more than they ever have. And all the car manufacturers are advertising them. But still, we're not at the point yet where there's an electric charging station every 50 miles up the road off the interstate. So I still like the idea of having a hybrid that runs off of gas and electric, because I can still get gas at the end of the day if I really need to. So that's all I'm getting at. If you know you're going to be on the road traveling a little bit, you know, rethink the electric car thing. If you're keeping it for the house and just cruising around town, have at it. But the Prius has been around quite a while. People still love them. They're reliable. And I'm telling you, it's been well over 10 years now Priuses have been on the roads here in America. They got a name for a reason, and people love them. So you know where to come get one if you're ever in the Charleston area. Come see me. I'm Chad at Southern Motor Company, and I'd love to help you get into some type of hybrid. We even got a Chevy Volt and a few others. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right, if you're still watching with me, let me show you something real quick. We don't have just the one Prius, right? Southern Motor Company keeps several hybrids on ground. So also got this one here. Check it out. The Prius V. I mean, that's a good looking car. That one's around $16,500 for a Prius V. Let's quickly look at it. Now, what you'll see the difference is between the two is the Prius V is a lot larger. So technically, if you needed more leg room, more cargo space, more room just in general, the Prius V has definitely got it. And a very nice car as well. I mean, it's a really nice vehicle. And SMC just keeps every car on the lot. There's always a quality pre-owned car. So there's one right there. Let me show you the other hybrids we have. All right, so how about something a little different, right? Maybe you're thinking, hey, I don't want a Toyota. I'd like to try something a little different than what everybody else has in a hybrid, right? How about this? A Chevy Volt. Oh, let's check it out. So the Chevy Volt's definitely going to cost you a little more money because it's the newest of the bunch. It's a 2018 model with 38,000 miles on it for just around $21,900. But the Volt is actually like a true electric because you can plug it in right here. And then on the other side of the car, just wait for it, you can go to the gas station and put gas in. So you got the best. You can plug it in at the house and let it charge at night, and then put a little gas in it as well if you want to do that. So that right there is a hybrid as well. It's got the best of both worlds. It's a very nice car too. But let me show you, maybe 21,000 or 16,000, or even the blue Prius over there at 14,900 at 15,000. If all of those are just a little more than what you're wanting to spend, let me show you the best bang for the buck. All right, so the best bang for the buck out here tonight for a hybrid at Southern Motor Company is the Prius I'm about to show you. Okay, you ready for it? It's 10.9. 10.9, and let you see it, right over there. Let's take a little closer look. All right, so that one is a 2013 model Prius. Kind of has that first gen look about it, but still just a little bit over 100,000 miles with a price tag of $10,990. There you go. So we got 3 Priuses, 1 true hybrid that's gas and electric, which is the Volt. And then if you really wanted to get down to something a little bit different, just throwing things out the box here, how about a unicorn, right? The Volkswagen Jetta station wagon, 6-speed manual. You ready? TDI clean diesel. Yeah, that's definitely has nothing to do with electric, but that's just the kind of stuff we have out here at Southern Motor Company. So we got such a great selection, whether it's 740s, QX80s. Mini Coopers, or even just the simplest of cars, the Toyota Prius for $14,900, fully loaded out, and has got to be the coolest color on a Prius from the manufacturer that I've personally ever seen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. And of course, if you got a friend or somebody looking for a great car, send them over here to me. My name's Chad in sales at Southern Motor Company. Come see me while you got me. I'm telling you, folks, right now is a great time to buy cars. Don't listen to everybody else online with the trending topics. Don't buy cars until 2022. You can still get you a good deal on a used car, and a quality used car at that. Thanks, guys. And girls, thank you.